welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another video. If you are new, my name is Annie Amavita. Welcome to my channel. Please guys, help me to subscribe and give the video thumbs up. It helps a lot. So guys, I'm gonna liboso talanga kombo nanga ezali Anita Mavita et then guys s'abonner, partager et dakamakasi. Today I have you a H&M haul. Guys, I'm so excited. I'm so happy to show you what I have picked up from H&M. So beautiful, pretty color, you love it. Lelo na kolakisa bino bilamba oyo nazwi na H&M eza vraiment kitoko makasi, très joli, boko sepela nango. Ready to start. Tolik. By the way, if you're wondering, this top I got from Zara, and these trousers is like this. The first thing I picked up is this trousers. It's light green, very nice. The good thing I like about this, because it has pockets. Yeah, this is new collection. Yeah, this is new collection. I saw these trousers in Zara too. Very beautiful. Look at how it is. Very beautiful. And it's not that long. It's not that super long. It fits me perfectly. I don't have these trousers. I never have this color before. So when I saw, I was like, you know what, why not picked up this one? So yeah, I like it. That's it. And then I match with this black top. Look at this black top. Very nice, so beautiful. I love the look. This top, it looks very beautiful, pretty, lovely. It's not that heavy. It's light. The summer, you can see it. So for me, I think both color match. Yeah, I think both color match. This black and this light green. Yeah, I think it's absolutely beautiful. These two, you wear it like this. Like this, very beautiful. Yes, even the top, it has both on the side here, you can close it. Very beautiful. I got the trousers in size 14. The price was $34.99. basically it's like £35. So, and then I got the top in size M, medium. The price is $12.99. Donc na zi pantalon au na taille 14, na prix à 34 livres 99, et ça le quoi 35 livres, et puis na zi top oyo na 12 livres 99, total le quoi 13 livres. So I think both match is lovely. I like it. It looks beautiful, you know, and the trousers is nice because they have pockets everywhere. It's really nice. I love it. It's really nice. It depends on you the way you put it on. This one for me, I can wear this with black shoes, black sandals, black trainers, black sandals with black bag. It will match. Something like this, you know, you wear with expensive bag, with expensive shoes, expensive trainers, nice makeup, nice hairstyle. You know, you look expensive, you look beautiful, you look like ready to go. Look at the top, very beautiful. It's very light, it's not that heavy. Very pretty, very pretty. I love it. I like it. You know, I like it. It's not that heavy. You can see, even if you wear it, you can see inside, like the material is not that heavy. So it's for summer. This is new collection from H&M for summer. So it's not something like for winter. No, you know, it looks beautiful. It looks like wow. And it's very comfortable. You know, it's not like something you wear it and you feel like you want to die. You know, very beautiful. Even you can wear like this when you go for dinner, you're going out, you know, you're going somewhere, you wear it. Very nice and very classic. Even the trousers is not that super long. Very nice. You can see it's not that super long. Very nice, very beautiful. Nice hair, nice makeup, nice, you know, nice bag, put very nice jewelry. You look nice, you look classic. You know, these two, I'm in love with that. I love it. Very nice, very respectful trousers. Yeah, cas ba famille pantalon o eza vraiment kitoko makasi tala tisi nango eza pena pepele en plus eza na ba poche ebele eza vraiment molai makasi te tana body pe o bota ndenge ezali eza vraiment kilo te eza pepele makasi bota ndenge eza vraiment kitoko makasi donc nazwi yango likolo nango na prix ya 12 livres 99 na taille nazwi yango na taille M. Donc awa nazwi yango na taille M, na taille 14 na prix ya 39,99. Donc eza pena kitoko makasi eza pantalon mo pe eza bien et ko vendre pena bien na nzoto eza kitoko des couleurs bo ezo dépendre ndenge yo mo latela mo. Donc voilà. The next item I picked up with is these two items. Look at these two items. Summertime color, guys. Yeah, I'm not playing with the color. Look at this shirt, it's very nice. Very nice. It's not that long. Very beautiful. It's super soft. It's not that heavy, something like for winter. No, this is for summer. It's new collection. It depends on you. You can wear with like white trainers, white bag, or black trainers, black bag. It depends on you. Very nice hair, maybe ponytail. It's up to the way you put it on. Very beautiful makeup, expensive bag, expensive shoes, whatever, but it looks nice. I love it. I think it looks lovely. It's very beautiful. I like it. You don't have to wear like this. You can even fold it up. The good I like it. It's very lovely. The shorts, it have elastic here. You can see there's no zip on it, but it's nice and it has pockets. You can even put your phone, you can put your keys. It looks nice. I love it. I got the size on medium. The price was $21.99. basically it's 22 pound. And then the shirts is I got on size medium. The price is $18.99. So both, it looks nice. Looks nice in summer, so you know it looks nice. The good thing about this, because there's no zip on it, and then it have elastic, which is easier, everyone can go in. I think both they look beautiful. Bomoni bilamba omi bale eza vraiment kitoko makasi. Nazwi yango na kilote o nazwi yango na prix ya 18 livres 99. Donc ezaka loba 19 livres et lamba nazwi yango na prix ya 21 livres 99. Et l'européen a CP nango po parce que ils ont élastique, ils ont étiré, en plus ils ont une poche. Donc ils ont vraiment kitoko makasi pour na sama boye. Donc au latiango obimi kitoko. Donc latiango boye benana saki moko expensive, na shoes moko expensive. So it's up to you. You can wear like this with like trainers. You can wear with heels. It's up to you the way you love it to wear it. So I think for me, I think it's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. I love it. I love the look. It looks very nice. Yeah, especially if you go body. Yeah, it looks nice. I'm in love with this color. I love it. And the material is not that heavy. Even it's not that heavy. It's something for summer. So look at that. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. I love it. You know, very beautiful color. So yeah, that's it. The next item I picked up is this beautiful white skirt. It's long, but not that super long. It's nice, very beautiful, and the top is crop top, but it's not showing your belly. It cover everything. You will see when I wear it. Depends on you the way you wear it. Look at this. You can wear this with like sandals. Yeah, this one I think with sandal it will look nice. And red sandals, blue sandals, or any colors it will match with this white. Very beautiful, very beautiful. I got the skirt in size small. Yeah, because I tried medium, it was a little bit big. That's why I took size S. Normally my size I wear size medium. Yeah, nalataka taille medium 14. If it's a small small 16, small large 16 I can fit on it, but my size is size M. I wear size M 14. The top I go on size 14 and the price is $18.99 on size medium. And then the skirt I go on size small. The price is $34.99. basically is £19, £35. Dona zi oyo na taille ya medium 14 na prix ya 19 livres 18 livres 99, et puis na jupe oyo na taille ya S 34 livres 99. M ezalaki munene na préféré ki nazwa oyo ponga linga eloko pena fe vanda nga na nzoto. Yeah, so this is there. Look how this, it looks beautiful. It looks beautiful, very comfortable. It's so pretty, amazing. These two sets, you know, very beautiful. So yeah, with this, with black shoes, black sandals, black sandals, white sandal, red sandal. It depends on you what color you want to put it on. So if it was me, I'll wear it with black or red, any color it will match with white. As we all know, white it can go with anything. So yeah, so these two items I picked up. You know, I love it. The skirt is not that long. It's very beautiful. It's so amazing, very beautiful, very pretty. Look at him. It has DS, it has like something like flowers everywhere. It looks nice. It looks very beautiful, you know, for summer. Very beautiful, very nice, very comfortable. Yeah. So the next item I picked up is, guys, I told you last time I love red. Red is my favorite color, guys. I don't have no red skirt, I don't have no red trousers. When I went there, I saw this skirt. I was like, what, in red? No way, guys. I picked up this skirt. It's like this, very beautiful, very nice, very comfortable. It's not that like, you know, something you feel like you can't breathe. No, this one is so nice. Even material is very light and it's not that long. Look, it's not that long, very beautiful. Look at how the way it is, so pretty. So yeah, I got this in size 14. I got this in size 14 and the price was $27.99. So I got this in $27.99. This skirt very beautiful in red. As we all know that red is powerful color. You can't play with red. So red presents a lot of things. So me, my favorite color is red. When I saw this, I was like, what? No matter what, I'm taking this home with me. So yeah, I got this, and then I got this black top. You see this black top, very beautiful, very beautiful. Look at the way it is. So it's shades, it's black. You can see serif, you can see it, you can see yourself inside. So if I put both of them like this, guys, yeah, both like this in this summer, oh my god, like this, with nice bag, nice sandals, yeah, nice bag, nice sandals, very expensive, not very bad, expensive bag, you know, nice hair, nice makeup, you know, that's light makeup. And I think absolutely is beautiful. It looks lovely. I love it. I'm in love with this. I love the color. It's so pretty. Even the material is nice. It's not that cheap. It doesn't look bad, guys. I know H&M, it used to be like, but now they have improved a lot. To be honest, yeah, this price when I went there was like, what? H&M, this price? Huh? Mama nangaye. Do bozomo ne lamba oyo do jipo akushta na zona kakango grave. eza pena bien vandi na nzoto ko couleur préférée nanga ezaka rouge na coûté na rouge oyo na prix ya 27 livres 99 jipo eza vraiment kitoko makasi na body oyo ya noir oyo na zui na prix ya 19 livres 99 donc ezaka lokwa 20 livres donc jipo kitoko ekamusinga na ba H&M pe na ba prima pe ba prima ti likolo okamwa pardon na ba prix likolo semena sombara a griffe mbala moko please pour kebako donc voilà H&M a comme makambo donc so na sangi so na rouge boy toleka. Voilà girls, guys, so yeah, this is so beautiful, so lovely, so sexy. Look at the way it is. They have line on the hair on the side. Yeah, look at here, look at the front. It's very beautiful, very nice. Me, I like something like, you know, a little bit tight on my body. I don't like loose stuff. I picked up this dress. Guys, look at this dress. This dress is so nice, so nice. It looks like this dress is very beautiful, lovely, comfortable. It looks so nice, guys, very nice. The price is $39.99. I got this in size L. A little bit big on me, to be honest. It's a little bit bigger because they didn't have my size M. And you know what, because I was like, no, I love this dress, I'm gonna take it home, I'm not leaving this dress. I didn't have choice. I go on size L. The price was $39.99. This dress, it looks so beautiful, it's so lovely, comfortable, so classic. Guys, you wear like this with nice trainers or nice heels with nice bag, white bag or black bag or red bag, green bag, it depends on you. Nice makeup, nice expensive bag, nice expensive shoes or trainers or heels, is depend on you. Guys, you did very beautiful makeup, nice hair, maybe red lipstick, oh my god, any color, nude, any color, or pink, whatever you want to put it on, but you make sure you put like some colorful maybe hair or shoes or bag, you know, to look like wow. When you wear this one, to be honest guys, no one is gonna notice that you got this from H&M. Not in bad way, but it looks nice. Look at the way it is. It has this, and you need to look at the way it sits on my body. Look at that. Bande onanga robe o na zio ona priya 39.99 na H&M. Eza lokola robe ya Yohji Yamamoto. Donc eza lokola robe ya Yohji Yamamoto, ba robe ba Yohji Yamamoto salarana. Donc style nango ba betango kitoko makasi. O lati o te maybe rouge à lèvres ya rouge bien couleur mo ezo flasher makasi. O lati on sapato mo kitoko couleur na saki moko ya cher. Pour evandi sango moni emo sosombe na momo eza moins cher, faut lokasiko, faut bete la ngosiko peneke saki moka cher, shoes moka cher et kendara kitoko makasi. Donc robe vraiment trop sexy. Eza peneke kitoko makasi. I'm in love with this dress, to be honest guys. When I saw this dress, I was like, what is this? Even it's not my size, I'm taking this home with me. I'm not leaving this dress here. Very beautiful, very nice. Look at that. It's not that super long. It's not that super long. Very beautiful, very nice, very comfortable. It's like very nice, very beautiful, very comfortable, very classic, you know, something like this you can wear birthday party. No, not wedding because it's too short, no wedding, but somewhere like you're going for dinner, you're going for like, you know, outing with girls, you know, something like this. Very nice, very respectful dress. Nothing's gonna show it up, you know. Yeah, like this. Very good. The next item I picked up is this yellow. Look at this dress. Yellow is nice, very nice. It's not that long. Yes, very nice. It's not that long. Very beautiful. Look on me, but the size is a little bit big on me. Is size M. The price was $34.99. Nasu yango na taille medium. Prix nango ezali 34 livres 99. Mais eza moi moke munene pa na ngai ba. That's fun. I got this in size M. As I said before, my size, I wear size M, but this one is a little bit bigger. So yeah, but it's nice. I love it. Something like it, just to relax, you know. Very nice, you know. I love it. It's nice, very good, with yellow summertime color. With this one, you can't get lost, you can't get confused. Very easy to go, very simple. Sometimes we need to wear something very simple, and you wear with some black slippers, you know, black sandals, white sandals. Is up to you. Even red, pink is up to you. If you love mix the color, mix it. Choice is yours. So yeah, I love it. It's very nice. I love it. Very beautiful. Yeah, it looks lovely for me. Very comfortable. So yeah, look at this, guys, in red. In red. Look at this jumpsuit. I got this jumpsuit from H&M. Very beautiful, simple, easy to go, very nice, guys. I love this. It looks beautiful, it looks so pretty, very nice. When I saw this, I was like, what? I go in size medium and the price is $34.99. Bande kona ngabotala elamba oyo vraiment kitoko makasi surtout na sama oyo pantelefa na soki pantelefa bobengaka nazwi yango na taille medium na prix ya 34 livres 99. Eza vraiment kitoko makasi bozomona, very beautiful. Eza pena kitoko, very beautiful. It's not that heavy, it's not that super long, it's nice, it fits me, it's my size. You can see with this one, you done with short hair, maybe ponytail, you know, don't do too much hair because the color is already too much. Red color is already too much. Don't put too much colorful stuff, you're gonna look like Mama Libo Magwa. Yeah, you know, don't mix too much color. So ko lati elamba ya couleur makasi boye, il faut ko luka o tshaka mo ba noir pona go boma ngopo, o lati rouge, o lati elamba msu ya rouge be vert et ça la moi des autres quoi. Don't wear too much colorful clothes. If you wear something like this red, make sure you wear with maybe white sandals or black, you know, just to calm down the color, because red is already too much. You can't mix this with yellow or pink, it will look too much, but it's up to you the way you want to dress it. I'm just giving advice. Someone like me, I will never mix it like this. Yeah, something like this with black or white. Yeah, so I love it. Look at the back, even got the knots here. Look at the back, very beautiful, very beautiful color, very beautiful jumpsuit. Yeah, it's not that long, very beautiful. I love it, and I love it because I got my size M. Yeah, guys, life is not easy anymore. Life is not easy anymore. Everything is expensive now. H&M, we used to know it used to be normal price, but now look at this, $34.99. Long time ago it used to be maybe 20 pound, 10 pound, but now look at this. Cost of living, when you are spending, think about tomorrow. Yeah, so you know, saw this dress in Zara. They got this dress too, but they look the same. Yeah, it looks the same, to be honest. And then I got this in size M. Price is $39.99. Na zero oil na prix ya $39.99. Na mona ki ngope na Zara ezaka ndenge moko. Donc voilà, very beautiful, very nice look. It has details on it here and here as well. Look at how beautiful it is. Look at how it is. Very beautiful. Olate lamba ya boye ni loko mwa kitoko. You can even put bells on here. When you put bells, it looks nice like this. When you put bells, it looks like this. It sits on you. Very nice bag. You got a very nice bag, very nice handbag, nice hair, light makeup, not too much makeup, and black bag, white bag is up to you. It will look nice with this summer. You look different from the others. Yeah, so yeah, choice is yours. I'm just giving advice, the way I love dressing, the way I love to match my stuff. So yeah, with this red, I can't put with yellow. No, I can't mix this with red, I can't mix with this with pink, but it's up to you the way you love mixing. I think it's nice, it's beautiful, it's lovely. Yeah, I think it's very nice. I think it's nice, it's very beautiful, very nice color, beautiful color. beautiful dress, you know. H&M, of course, they go nice stuff anyway. So yeah, you can't get lost, you can't get twist. With this summer, you will be like, wow, you go for summer holiday, you know, you can wear like this. It looks nice. Even normal party, barbecue party, birthday party, yeah, you can put it on with expensive bag, with expensive sandals, slippers. Yes, when you wear something cheap, make sure you go expensive bag, expensive sandals, something expensive, you know. Look at this pink. Look at this guys, very beautiful, very pretty guys. Look at this. Oh my god, I think this is absolutely is beautiful. It looks nice, it looks very beautiful, it's amazing, very beautiful color. Look at this, very beautiful. And then I'm in love with the short. The short, it doesn't have zip, but it have elastic here, so it's easy to go, very easy to go. And then it has pockets. Wow, that's the thing I like it, with pockets, but there's no zip on it. It has like elastic, very beautiful. Look at how it is, very beautiful, very nice, very comfortable. It's so amazing, so pretty. It's so amazing. It looks so beautiful on me as well. I love the color. It's so nice, ready for summer. I got the short in size medium, size 14. Price is $14.99, and the top I got the size medium, and the price was $18.99. Nazi elamba likolo na prix ya 18,99 na taille medium, et puis nazi eloko na kilote ya c'est 12,99. Vraiment ba famille tala ndenge eza kitoko, couleur nango kitoko, so beautiful, so lovely. My god, something white shoes, white trainers or heels, or black trainers with black bag. It will look so beautiful, amazing, so pretty. Like, you know, you know, summer holiday, when you go for summer holiday, something like this, you need to bring it with you, with nice bag, with nice expensive bag, with nice expensive trainers or sandals or slippers. Very beautiful guys. Someone work hard like me, you need to spend your money. Yes, you need to spend your money. Sometimes it's good to have, you know, expensive stuff at home. There's no problem with that. When you are spending, think about life is not easy anymore. Things we used to buy £1, but now it's £2.50. Think about Primark. It used to be something for £5, £10, but it's not easy now to find something for £5 or £2 in Primark. Even H&M, this price long time ago, like last year, it used to be maybe £10, £15, £20, but now look at how expensive H&M and Primark is now, to show that life is not easy anymore guys. So when you are spending, think about tomorrow, you know, cost of living. So yeah, but you don't have choice, you have to spend. When you work hard, you have to spend. Sometimes it's good to have maybe 5, 6, 10 expensive bag at home, maybe 5, 6 expensive shoes at home, and you mix with all this stuff. It's good. Something like from Zara, they're very good quality clothes. H&M too, Primark. If you love Primark, you go, you know, buy it, but don't buy like mad woman. Don't buy like, you know, there's no more tomorrow. There is tomorrow. Even the gas, electricity, everything is expensive now, kids, everything. So when you are spending, think about. Don't keep buying. That's what, as I said before, as I said last time, it's good to buy something expensive. You save money. Na vie est mon pesa anango bien ya ko dépenser pour o sombara te. Ils rappellent bien un mot aux ana moi sapato moi ya cher nanda sac moko bien nanda ko moi 2, 4, 5, 6 moi sac moi. The last item I picked up, guys, look at this dress. Very good. It's not that long, very beautiful guys. I think is absolutely good, very good. I got this in size L, and the price is $17.99, but it's big. It's a little bit big on me, but that's fun. Yeah, that's fun, you know, something like this, the way going to the shop, you're going to drop kid to school. Yeah, very nice, very beautiful, simple. Look at that. It's not that heavy. This material is not heavy. It's like proper for summer. Very, very beautiful, proper for summer. It looks nice. It's easy to go. It looks amazing. It's very beautiful color. Even material is not that heavy. I love it, to be honest. I love it. But it doesn't have no pocket, nothing. Something like this, because it's big, you can even put bells on it. You can put bells just to make that, you know, to be a little bit tight, because I love something tight on my body. I don't like loose clothes. I don't like it. I like something to show my shit like this. I don't like things when it's too loose. I don't like it. This one is big for me, so when I wear, I put it like this with bells, so to make sense. So much guys for watching. Please help me to subscribe, like, share, partager, commenter. I love you. Nalingi bino mingi na komona mnomba la sima na video na nga ezoya. Bisous, bye. Bye.